so on. After the first person has drunk his pint, glass on the head, back on the table, then the next person can drink.
Can we stand up?
No hands, no standing up.
We're not allowed to use our hands.
You are not allowed to sit there waiting with your hands on the glass till the beer on the head, back on the table, and then drink it. No, you must sit down to drink the beer. Are we ready?
Vague about the draw.
Go on, Norfolk.
There is too much spillage, it will go against you at the end. So please drink the delightful apple juice. Are we ready? 3!
Hang on.
Oh! Three, 2, 1!
Wee man!
Go on, the wee man!
Good work! Bother! Go on, Kevin! Eat it, eat it.
Come on, Jake!
Fucking hell!
When you're with the Norfolk, have a super smashing lovely, a smashing lovely. We'll have